So the question is, can we plan the Panchakarma without Rukshana? Mostly, whenever patient comes to us, it is for the Panchakarma. Okay, then patient asks us, do the Panchakarma for me. Isn't it? When ma'am, Panchakarma kab hoga? This is the first question when patient comes to the Ayurveda physician or to the Panchakarma physician, he asks. So, what is our aim to do the Panchakarma? So, without Rukshana, can we do Panchakarma? No, not at all. Okay, we cannot do. Why? Why we cannot do the Panchakarma without Rukshana? It is clear. Once patient comes to us on the first day, we cannot start the Panchakarma. Okay, why? As we all know, we are the graduates, postgraduates, and practitioners of Panchakarma. We know there are the basic principles. Okay, it is already in text. It has been written like first you have to do the Dipana, Pachana, Rukshana, Langhana. Then only you can go for the Snehana. Then only you can go for the Snehapana. Isn't it? The Sneha, whenever we want to use the Sneha, we should. That might be internal or external. It is not always like before Vamana or Virechana only we need to do the Rukshana or Langhana. No. For external application also, for the Abhyanga also, we need to do the Rukshana. That is, actually, this is the gist of Panchakarma. Once you understand when to start the Panchakarma, you will be master. That's what we are missing. That is what mostly the Panchakarma physicians do the mistakes. Where to start the Panchakarma? When to start the Panchakarma? When to start the Sneha? Once you learn this, that is very easy. You might have seen many patients in the IPD or in the OPD. I send them back. Okay, come after 15 days, come after three weeks, come after 1 month. Because to get that avastha, proper avastha is most important to get the results in Panchakarma. That's why many patient comes from like here and there and they'll come, ma'am, we have already undergone Panchakarma. Still we are having the pain. We already have done Virechana. Still we have the skin disease eruptions. That is the proper avastha has not yet been assessed by the consultant. That is the complication. In text, it has been clearly written. Like in Amavastha, you have to do the Rukshana. In Nirama Avastha, you can do the Snehapana. Isn't it? Even though in the Upashaya, Anupashaya of Amavata, also it has been written. Once if you have any confusion, ask patient to apply the Sneha on the joint. And if there is Shotha comes, if their pain increase, if Stambha increase, that is Amavastha. That's why they have written the Upashaya and Upashaya. But in the Panchakarma, what we miss this Upashaya and Upashaya. Once patient comes, okay, Kativasti, local application. Go. Abhyanga Sweda, local. Patrapinda, local or Sarvanga. And then the patient comes. How are you when patient comes in the OPD? The doctor asked, "Kaisa hai Panchakarma ke baad?" And patient says, "Kuch kam nahi hua, doctor sahab. Nothing has changed." Why? Because they have not assessed the proper avastha of the patient or of the disease. So what principle says? Langhana Pachani. First you have to do Langhana Pachana. Then only you can go for the Pachana. So the principle never says na Guda Kanthabhyam. Mostly Guda और कंठ से कभी स्नेह एक साथ नहीं देना होता. These are the principles. शास्त्र में लिखा है मतलब we have to follow the principle. First thing is we should be loyal with our text, with our science, and in text it has been written like in Amavastha Panchakarma is contract. Okay, so this is we are as per principle. It is indicated that you should not do the Panchakarma in Amavastha. So we are following the principle. To follow the principle, we have to stop the Panchakarma in first phase. Then clinical experience, what I have already discussed, like patient comes after doing 15 days of Shashti Pinda Sveda, 15 days, 14 days Shashti Pinda Sveda, the patient says there is no relief in the pain, there is no relief in the strength, there is no any muscle gaining, nothing is there. After doing 14 days of Shashti Pinda Sveda. Means you have wasted the days of the patient, infrastructure, or what material we used. That is of no use. We do the basti, yapana basti, isn't it? Sandhigata Vata patient, we do the yapan. Panchatikta Kshir Basti for 14 days, some consultant do. For 7 days, some consultant do. And after doing 7 days of yapana, patient comes with the same complaint that there is the pain and stiffness in the back or in the knee. That means he's not getting relief with your yapana basti or your panchatikta kshira basti. That is and we have seen routinely in the OPD or in the IPD, we are seeing the patients like they are not getting the relief with panchakarma because इतनी तो मेहनत हमने की थी, मैडम ने काढ़ा बनाया, क्षीर पाक बनाया था, ये बनाया था, वो बनाया था, पेशेंट को दिया था, खाने के पहले ही दिया था, खाना सब बोला था, but there is no result of panchakarma because we are not aware of the avastha. That is the thing. Okay, that is why we are not getting the effects in panchakarma. Okay, like अभ्यंगा बहुत बार करते हैं, फिर वो अभ्यंग सिंपल जानुसंधि में है, सिंपल कुष्ठ में है, कुष्ठ में भी अगर एलादि केरतैलम लगाने से खुजली कम होनी चाहिए, isn't it? एलादि केरतैलम we prescribe एलादि केरतैलम और नारायण तैला फॉर द संधिगत वाता, उससे तो ये कम होना चाहिए, वात कम होना चाहिए, बट नहीं, पेशेंट बोलता है कि मेरा और दर्द बढ़ गया है, स्किन वाला बोलता है कि मुझे और खुजली हो रही है. Why? That is because the proper rukshana has not yet been done in the patient. बस्ती का भी इफेक्ट नहीं मिलता है, पीपीएस का नहीं मिलता है, षष्टिशाली पिंडस्थ we have already discussed. इसीलिए that's why the panchakarma is not advised without rukshana. I never do any panchakarma, any, not a single abhyanga, not a single kati basti, not a single shiro abhyanga, not a single nasya without proper rukshana. जहां काम करना है, जिस सेल पे काम करना है, वो सेल तो जगा हो. कोई सोया और आप गीता पढ़ा के चले जाओगे, कोई सोया है और आप गीता पढ़ा रहे हो, अगर वो जग ही नहीं रहा है, गीता क्या सुनेगा? That is for the cells. When you are working on the cell of that body, of that part, that cell should be live, that cell should be active. And what Rukshana does, making the every cell active, particularly where you have planned for the Panchakara.